Great news for everybody. Supreme Court made a decision on DACA. What does it mean for you? Well, I'm going to tell you. If you have DACA now, if you're one of the 700,000 that has filed and been approved and is renewing it every couple of years, well, congratulations. It means you're going to be able to continue to renew it. You know, it's not going to be eliminated, at least no time soon. Now, the Supreme Court did not say Trump can't eliminate DACA. They did not get to the substance of the matter at all. Instead, they only spoke about procedure. So what the Supreme Court said is, hey, Trump, we're not saying you can't eliminate DACA, but the way you went about doing it is not right. And they explained what the proper process is in order to remove DACA. Now, those of you who have been listening to my show for a while know that I've been saying this for years, that if Trump was a little smarter, he would have just initiated the process according to the Administrative Procedures Act to remove DACA properly. But he never did because he didn't care to do that. So what does this mean for you? It means if you've never had DACA, but you qualify, you likely will be able to apply. Now, maybe before you were under 16 and you couldn't file, and now you are over 16 and you can file. Or maybe you never filed at all and now you can. Or now you will be able to. So tune in the days coming up. We will announce precisely when you can start filing and how you can start doing it. For now, let me go over the 7 requirements to apply for DACA, because it's been a long time since we've discussed it. You know, no one's been filing since September 2017, and we haven't been talking about DACA as a means to achieve legal status for those that don't have it in quite some time. It's a misnomer. You don't actually acquire legal status with DACA. It's just protection from deportation and employment authorization. But 7 requirements. 1, you needed to have been 31 years or under when the program was announced, June 15, 2012. That's 8 years ago. You needed to have entered the U.S. This is number 2. Entered the U.S. before you turned 16. Number 3, you must have lived in the U.S. continuously from June 15, 2007 till now, which is 13 years. 4, you must have been physically inside the United States on June 15, 2012. 5, you couldn't have had legal status on June 15, 2012 because you didn't need DACA. 6, you must be in school, like high school, for example, graduated from high school, applying to get your GED, or already have gotten your GED. And 7, you can't have committed any serious crimes like DUI or domestic violence, or 3 or more misdemeanors, minor crimes. So those are the 7 requirements in order to qualify for DACA. Call the office, get started. If you don't have DACA, let's find out if we can get it for you. Stay tuned for when to file. As soon as we know, we'll let you know.